Hello, welcome to the Realmen's Electrical Engineering channel. For this session, we're going to solve all about DC circuits, solving for the total resistance. For you to subscribe or get the latest videos, just click the ring or bell button for you to get the latest or updated videos. So for this topic, it's all about DC circuits, solving for the total resistance. So have you see the circuit? Uh, as you see the circuit, uh, nasaan ang ballpen? Hello, welcome to the Realmen's Electrical Engineering channel. For you to get the latest updated videos, just subscribe or click the ring bell button or the Realmen's Math and Music channel. So for this video, we are going to solve the electrical DC circuits, solving for the total resistance. So for this figure, we are looking back the total resistance REB. So we have 36 ohms resistor, 6 ohms resistor, 18 ohms, 26 ohms, and 10 ohms. So they are connected series, parallel, or parallel series. So for you to easily understand the circuit, we're going to read through it. So we have, this is 36. Okay, this is 6, and then this is 18. Okay, we can have it label. So this is 26. So this is 10. This is 18. This is 6. This is 36. This is EV. Okay. Have you observed that this circuit, this portion, is equivalent to this portion? They are the same. Okay. So therefore, have you observed on this? Tail end? So they are the 26 ohms and 10 ohms are connected in series. So this is, we can have it as R1. Okay, for we can have a simple review for series circuit. Okay, for series circuit, if we have, this is R1, this is R2. If we have R1, okay, if we have R2, okay, solving for the total resistance. So RT is equals to, simply have the addition of both resistors. So we have R1 plus R2, so on and so forth. So for parallel circuit, for parallel circuit, if we have, this is R1, this is R2, okay, this is R1, this is R2, we can have the total resistance of RT. This is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, so on and so forth. If it includes 2 or more than resistors, okay, we can have our solution. So this is the this is our solution for this problem. We have here the solution. Okay, for you to easily understand, you need to solve it. We're going to solve it step by step. So we can have it R1. So therefore, our R1 is, as I say, that for R1 for series circuit, we get the total of the resistor. So this is 26 plus 10. So this is 36 ohms. Okay. And then we're going to read through the circuit for you to easily understand or easily figure out. Okay, this is 36. This is 6. Okay. This is 18. This is okay. We can have it label. So this is our R1. This is 36. So this is 18. This is 6. So this is 36. This is A, B. Okay. Have you observed on this figure? They are both parallel. So we can have it as, we can see it as R2. We assume it as R2. So looking for R2, we have the circuit is parallel. As I say, if they are parallel, we get the total reciprocal of the circuit. So this is 1 over 18 plus this is 1 over 36. This is 1. Okay. We cannot get calculator. So this is 1 over 18 plus 1 over 36. So we have 12 ohms. Okay. And then we're going to read through again the circuit. So we're going to read through again to make it simpler, easily understand. Okay, this is 6, and then so this is R2, so this is 12 ohms, and this is 6, this is 36, this is E, B. Okay. Have you observed on this figure again? This figure, okay. The two resistors are connected again in series. So we can have it R3. So by solving the total resistance R3, by getting the resistance of R3, we have we'll use the principle of series circuit again. So if this R3, so we get the total resistance. So this is 6 plus 12. Okay, by using calculator, we have 6 plus 12. We get 18 ohms. We get 18 ohms resistors. Okay, and then we're going to read through it again to make it easily understand. Okay, we have 36, and this is the R3. Our R3 is this. Okay, we can have it a label of. So this is 18, and this is 36. This is E, V. Okay. Have you observed again on the circuit? In this circuit, so they're both connected on parallel, so we can assume it as R4. So therefore our R4 is they are parallel, so our R4 is, this is 1 over 36 plus 1 over 18. So therefore our R4 is, we can have it in calculator, this is 1 over 36 plus 1 over 18, and then we can have it as 12 ohms. So therefore our total, our looking back resistance REB, so our looking back resistance REB is, our EB or total resistance is, this is 12 ohms. So therefore this is the final answer, 12 ohms. And then if we're going to redraw the equivalent total circuit, so this is, we can have the equivalent total circuit. So it goes on this figure. So this is 12 ohms. This is EB, so this is the total resistance. Okay, we can have it. So therefore this is the total equivalent circuit. Okay, then this is the total resistance. This is the total equivalent resistance. This is the total equivalent circuit resistance. Okay, for further for brief review, so for you to easily solve the circuit, you're going to redraw it to make it simplified, and then apply the principles of circuit. If this is series, add the total resistance. If they have connected in parallel, get the total, get the reciprocal of its resistors. Okay, for you to watch again my latest videos are updated, just subscribe my channel, the Real Means Math and Music channel. So this is this will be our topic for DC circuits. So for more videos, just subscribe. Thank you.